chocolate cake with 3 ingredients without an oven. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the cake recipes and one of the most unique of the snack recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the dessert recipes and one of the most tastiest of the chocolate recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the chocolate cake recipes. Today we're going to make chocolate cake with simple 3 ingredients, or semolina chocolate cake. The ingredients are 2 eggs. Now break in the egg. Separate out the yellow portion. Now put in half a cup of sugar, mix the sugar with the white of the egg until it is nice and frothy. Keep on stirring until it becomes fluffy. Add the yellow portion that we separated earlier to the white portion. Mix. Mix the yellow and the white together. cocoa powder. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Now take 1 cup of semolina in the grinder. And close and grind well. Now put in the ground semolina into the mixture. Mix the semolina thoroughly into the mixture. Thoroughly mix. Now put in a spoon of baking powder. Mix in the baking powder thoroughly. Put in a 1/4 spoon of baking soda. Mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mix. Pour the batter into an oiled cake tray. Now shake it or tap it so that it becomes level, and this can be used to make the cake now. Boil around 200 to 300 ml of water and put in the stand into the water. Let the water boil. Now put in the cake batter mixture. Once the once the steam comes. And close and cook for 15 to 20 minutes, checking by poking with a toothpick to see whether it is cooked properly. After 20 minutes of cooking, poke with a toothpick or fork and see whether the dough sticks. The dough does not stick. You can see that the dough is not sticking. Now we know that the cake is cooked, and this can be taken off the flame once it cools and taken off the mold. This is the final chocolate cake with 3 ingredients, baked without an oven. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the snack recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the cake recipes and one of the most delicious of the chocolate recipes and one of the most tastiest of the 3 ingredient recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button. Chocolate cake with 3 ingredients, without an oven, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the cake recipes and one of the most unique of the snack recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the dessert recipes and one of the most tastiest of the chocolate recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the chocolate cake recipes.